I'll stay just a few days in town, and I wonder if, do you wanna go out? Wanna go now, now? City lights are on point. Do you like, this could be a treasure. By the way, you're precious. Love you makes me anxious. Wanna be a big love. I'm craving that you always stay. You're the one who's still my prayer. I can get you out of my head. This love never ends, cause you are my friend. You are my friend.
Where are we? Where are you?
Woke up in Spain.
Where are you? Okay, there you are. Right, Kem Alex. Show your face. Don't hide behind my shoulder. Welcome.
Welcome back to our channel.
As you probably already know, we left Sweden, or at least we took a flight somewhere, and maybe based on the title you already know that we're in Spain somewhere. Well, the weather in November and December is not the best in Sweden. It's just basically grey 24/7.
I wouldn't even call it grey, I would call it black.
Yeah. I mean, except for that, I'm grateful we have 4 seasons and all that. It's cool. I appreciate almost each and every season, except for November and December. They can be so dull. So we just had to leave, had to catch some sun. So we're gonna stay here in Spain for 10 days. We were able to find some decent tickets, and this was a little spontaneous.
Yeah, we basically just got up one day and we're like, you know what, let's head to Spain. Because Alex had some, basically some free gaps
in school, yeah. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to do this, no.
Yeah. And we just said, you know what, let's just pack and go to Spain. So we went and we found some pretty decent tickets. And here we are, basically. We just came. So I think we've mentioned it before, that we always come to Spain, so we come here at least once a year. I don't know, there's just something about Spain. As you can see in the background, if you know us by now, you see in the background that's a mountain there. It's called the Lionhead Mountain. So we always hike up there.
It's not called Lionhead Mountain.
What is it
we
called?
Call it the Lion Mountain because the shape of that mountain resembles a lion, actually.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. I don't know. It's impossible to show that on the camera, but it actually does resemble
like
a lion. If you
lion,
look closely, it resembles a lion.
Yeah. So
almost like my lioness here.
So we always hike up there, as we always do. We're always in the mountains. We're always in the bush.
Always bush.
In the nature. There was somebody who commented on the update from Sweden vlog. They're
Always
like,
bush videos.
You're like, your first video from Sweden and you do it in the bush, basically. But we are nature lovers, guys. Anyhow, so that mountain will be our target or destination for the next days or coming days. I don't know which side we're gonna hike from this time. I mean, like, once you get up there, it's like a beautiful view.
I don't know. We're basically gonna start there, and then hit no one and walk like maybe so, and then up so,
yeah,
and then round so, and right there so, and then walk back so.
So normally our hikes can take at least 8 hours. No, well, at least 6 hours. 8 hours was the most we went, so like 4 hours up, 4 hours down. Trust me, it's not easy, but once you're done, it's such a satisfying feeling. You sleep good. Your heels hurt as shit though, but it's really, really good.
Those mountains heal you.
They do.
Me swear.
They do. I don't know. Spain just feels like a middle way between
Yeah.
Sweden and Jamaica. With one, the climate, for example. I mean, as you see, we're in bomber jackets right now, which means it's not very hot, but it's like, how would you say? It's cool, but not too hot. How would you say, babe?
Well, the climate is not as humid as in Jamaica, and it's not as cold
Yeah, basically.
in Sweden.
As simple as that.
So, but right now, this is the coldest period in Spain. This is the coldest period during the year. But right now, I don't think we need these jackets really.
Not
but it was a
really.
little colder this morning, so I guess they just stayed on.
Yeah.
I think the upcoming days will be a little warmer actually than this first day here in Spain. So, but yeah, we arrived yesterday. Drove from the airport.
Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering where in Spain we're in Alicante. And
We're a bit north of Alicante.
Spain is basically our third home.
Yes, it is.
It is.
I love this little town in Spain.
So when we come here, we don't do that luxurious stay.
That's not
we
us.
live among the locals. I think that's just the best way of traveling. You want to live among the locals, find out their way of life and all that things. You learn more. So basically, in this little town here, Alex's granddad has an apartment, so that's where we stay.
Just a small little cute apartment.
Yeah. And no,
And
his granddad isn't Spanish. So if you
No.
guys would wonder, he's Norwegian, but
So I'm
really-
half Norwegian.
yeah. So yeah, he just has his little apartment here that he comes to whenever he's ready, and we get the
The chance
chance to be here, and we're so grateful for that. Yeah. So I don't know. It's like the best. The best. I mean, we're in Sweden, we're so depressed in this weather, but I feel alive already. Just the little sun that I'm getting, and looking up
Definitely.
the mountain, and know like, okay, just soon we're gonna be up there and get all the view and stuff. Yeah, stay tuned for these few days. Most of the vlogs that you'll be seeing now will be from Spain until we're back in Sweden.
And finish off with showing you guys how this little village looks like. Just a short little video in the end. I think that's gonna be it. And then you get to later on these days join us up in the mountains. Maybe drive a little car on the road. Yeah.